You can learn something new every day if you listen. Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to English grammar class. Today, we'll continue with the remaining types of adverbs. Adverb of place. An adverb of place tells us where an action takes place. For example, the children are playing outside. What is the verb in this sentence? Yes, playing. So, the word which tells more about the verb is outside, and it shows where the action takes place. So, outside is the adverb of place. My mother went upstairs. Here, upstairs is the adverb of place as it shows where my mother went. Adverb of time. An adverb of time tells us when an action takes place. For example, I will submit my project tomorrow. Ritu wakes up early. In these sentences, tomorrow and early tell us when the actions take place. So, these words are adverbs of time. Adverb of degree. An adverb of degree tells us the degree or extent of an action. Look at these sentences. The food was quite delicious. Kanika is a very polite girl. In the first sentence, the word quite tells us more about the adjective delicious. In the same way, very in the second sentence tells us more about the adjective polite, or they tell us the degree or the extent of the action. So these words are adverbs of degree. So children, here we conclude the topic adverbs. Practice the exercises for better understanding. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.